Hi, everyone. My name is Linda Carlson. I am a clinical psychologist with a PhD in clinical psychology from McGill University in Montreal. And currently I work as a professor in the Department of Oncology at the University of Calgary, also in Canada. I'm trained in health psychology or behavioral medicine, and I specialize in psychosocial oncology. And my research is around clinical trials and intervention development in complementary therapies for cancer patients and survivors. So I've done a lot of research over the years on mindfulness-based interventions, as well as yoga and other complementary therapies like acupuncture, Tai Chi, Qigong, that kind of thing. I've also been involved in lots of different societies over the years. And really, my work spans so many disciplines. So behavioral medicine, health psychology, as well as integrative medicine, integrative oncology, and psychosocial oncology. So really, I've had a foot in lots of different areas academically, but really have found that for me, as an intellectual home and what's sort of stimulating and where my work has really fit is in an interdisciplinary environment that has been fostered over the years through the Mind and Life Society, for example, the Mind and Life Institute. And so this new initiative, the International Society for Contemplative Research, is really a sort of spin-off from that bringing together of interdisciplinary groups of people who are interested in contemplative practices from a lot of different angles. So really seeing them from a religious studies point of view, from a philosophical point of view, neuroscience, clinical sciences. It's really wonderful to have an opportunity to bring all those together. And so why is this new society needed, the ISCR? Because we need an intellectual home for these kind of discussions and this kind of professional development. Many of us, are the only person at our institution who does this kind of work. And we may feel like we're working in silos sometimes, and it may feel decontextualized, like what we're doing, bringing these practices into the West lacks perhaps some depth or understanding of the historical basis. So that's why bringing in our interdisciplinary colleagues is just so useful. So that's why I'm involved in this society. I think it's really important. And also the emphasis is on being international. Our sort of executive committee now is a bit more heavily based in North America, but we do want to reach out to people around the world. So that brings us to the final question: why should you join ISCR? What's in it for you? I think the number one reason to join is to support this community and support this type of scholarship and research, and to really put your money where your mouth is, I guess, to show that you value this interdisciplinary approach that's rigorous and scientific, but brings together and respects different traditions, and really having a place where we can incubate that and get excited about learning from other disciplines together in this really meaningful field of research that has the potential to really be transformative for society as well. So I really hope you'll join us, get in on the ground floor, look at our website, our governance, volunteer for a committee. There's so much work to be done, and it's going to be super exciting. So please join us in this endeavor.